Hi everyone, welcome back to another lovely Christmas recipe. Today I'm making chocolate orange mince pies. I've had lots of requests for these on a recent post that I put up on Facebook. So that's what I am making today. So we're going to start making the pastry first. In here I've got some plain flour, and into here I'm going to add in some cocoa powder to give us our nice chocolatey flavour. I'm also adding some icing sugar. Icing sugar is lovely in pastry. Mix that together. Next up, it's the butter. I've frozen my butter, grated it as well. It's much easier to rub in and you get a nicer pastry too. So I'm going to rub this in until I get bread-like consistency. You can smell the chocolate already. I'm happy with that now. I've got the yolk of an egg here. I'm going to just beat it up and add it in. I've also got a tablespoon of cold water. Pour that in too. For my orange flavour, I'm going to use some orange extract. If you don't have orange extract, you can use the zest of an orange. It'll be perfectly fine and lovely as well. I have that in the house and I want to use it up. So I'm going to mix all this together. If you need to add a little bit of extra water, you can do so as well. Keep mixing it together with the spoon. I'm going to add another little bit of water, about 1 more tablespoon. This is coming together nicely. What I'm going to do is get my hands in here and just bring the pastry together. It's a much easier way of getting it combined. Bring it together like that, and we want to get it into a ball. And there you have it. I'm happy with that. Wrap it up in a bit of cling wrap. And now this is going to go into the fridge to chill for half an hour. It's important that you do chill it for half an hour. Pastry's ready, so I'm going to roll it out. What I like to do is just cut it in half, and then I just knead it a little until it's a little bit softer and easier to roll out. I'm going to roll this now to about a 3mm, 4mm thickness. You don't want the pastry too thick, and you definitely don't want it too thin either. That's about the right thickness now. So just get your cutter, and this one is 3.5 inches in size, and cut out your circles. I'll just cut out, and then I will re-roll the pastry and cut out the rest. And now I'm going to get these into my cupcake tray. Get the pastry in there, and I've just greased each of them and put a little bit of parchment paper in there to make them easier to get out. And push it down like that. And there you have them. Next, for the mincemeat, I've just got some mincemeat here, and I'm going to add in some orange zest. You can use orange extract either. Mix that together, and I'm going to add about a heaped teaspoon into each of these. You don't want to overfill them either. Now I'm going to add a couple of dark chocolate chips to each of them, about 7 or 8. Perfect. Now, just to seal the tops on them, I'm using some egg, a beaten egg, and go around the sides of each of them. And place a 2.5-inch pastry disc on top. And I just go around with my fingers and just gently press them together, like that. And the last one. I brush the tops with a little bit of egg. And if you have any pastry left over, you can make some pastry decorations. I have these cutters, and they're great for using on mince pies and for decorations for Christmas cakes too. And I brush the pastry decorations with a little bit of egg as well. These are ready now, so I'm going to get them into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. When the mince pies are baked, allow them to cool for about 15 minutes in the tin before removing to a wire rack to cool completely. These mince pies are lovely eaten warm or cold. Serve with some freshly whipped cream or even some brandy butter if you've got some of that in the house. It's gorgeous on mince pies. I do have a recipe for it, it's very easy to make, and I'll include a link in the comments down below. The flavours from these mince pies, the chocolate, mincemeat And the orange is absolutely gorgeous. These mince pies have been a big hit in my house. Hope you try out these chocolate orange mince pies. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. Happy baking, everyone, and enjoy.